Hello folks, this is Phil with Jim's Motors in Cuba, Missouri. We're looking at here today is a nice 2003 Exiss Extreme 17-foot short wall, 4-horse with a mid-tack. This trailer's been through our shop, ready to go. Everything works on it. It's just a really nice trailer. Hay rack, ramp, mangers, lined and insulated in the horse area. Along with the mid-tack, it does have a rear tack. It's collapsible. Storage below the mangers. Here's your mid-tack, entry to your mid-tack. Lots of bridle hooks, shelves, saddle rack. It does have an OUTLAW conversion in it, all hardwood. A sofa and a dinette. Lots of hardwood cabinets. Big bunk area. Soft touch ceilings and walls. Single sink, microwave, and a cooktop. 6 cubic foot fridge. Lots of closets in it. It's got a huge bathroom in it. Nice big shower. Another set of big closets. The trailer's big enough and has enough storage that you could live in it. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.